Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NABS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class for Class 1. And our today's topic is times table, and our times table is 10 and 11 is our today's topic. And our today's lecture 4 and HW is the same as this class. Now let's go to start our class. Here is the times table 10 here. So here 10 we can write 0 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. So first of all 10 zeros are 0. So here it will be 0 at 1's place, and you can also write 0 in 10's place. Then second one 10 ones are 1 in 1's place. So here it will be 1's place, 10 ones are 10. Then 10 twos are 20. Here 0 is 1's place and 2 is 10's place. 10 threes are 30. Here 3 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. Then 10's fours are 40. 4 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10's fives are 50. 5 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10's six are 60. Here 6 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10's sevens are 70. Here 7 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10 eights are 80. Here 8 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10 nines are 90. Here is 9 is 10's place and 0 is 1's place. 10 tens are here 10 is 10's place and here it is also 10. So here 1 will be 10's place and 0 will be 1's place. 10s are 100. So here 0 will be 10's place, again 0 will be 10's place, and 1 will be the 100 place. 1 will be the 100 place. So here we can read out again. 10 zeros are 0, 10's ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10's fours are 40, 10's fives are 50, 10's six are 60, 10's sevens are 70, 10's eights are 80, 10's nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Hope you understood the times table of 10 here. Now next one is times table of 11. So here first of all 11 zeros are 0. Here is 100 place, 10's place and 1's place. So first of all here is 11 zeros are 0. So 0 will be 1's place. You can also write 0 in 100 place, 0 in 10's place. Then 11 twos are 22. Here 2 is 10's place and another 2 is 1's place. Then next one 11 threes are 33. So here 3 will be the 10's place and next 3 will be the 1's place. Then 11 fours are 44. Here it will be 4 in 10's place and another one is 1's place. 11 5 is 55. Here is 5 10's place and 5 is 1's place. 11 6 are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. So 1 will be 100 place and next one will be the tens place and 0 will be the ones place. Now again read out the times table of 11. 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 six are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. My dear students, hope you understood the times table of 10 and 11. Practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.